another video for you guys. This time it's on me slaying my unit. Yes, boo. When you ever see me come out here without my wig on? Never, ever. But I got a fresh unit. I seen a few of these videos. Turn that off. I'm getting ahead of myself. I've seen a few of these videos where women will put their wigs on and then they will have, you know, start to finish type setup. So I did get a new unit from Red Band Hair. I will have everything linked down below, and I do have a coupon code for you guys for $15 off your bundle deal. And they do custom lace wigs, yes, with transparent lace, boo. Yes, transparent lace. Okay, so let's get into it real quick. You see that? Do you see that? And I tried to get my hair as flat as I could. These are mini twists that I have underneath here. Remember what I told y'all, I'm trying to take better care of my hair, making sure it's moisturized and taken care of. So this is actually my protective style. If you see my makeup and how it looks crazy, I didn't put any makeup here because you don't want to put any makeup on the area where you're going to be spraying. I'm going to be using the Got To Be Glue technique, and this technique is just simply just applying the wig. This is a fresh unit. Applying the wig directly to my head, obviously, and then I would go in with the spray, and then I will cut the lace off on my head. I have a mirror right here. If you want to see how I slay my unit, stay tuned. This unit is pre-plucked, and she cut baby hairs for me because I am the worst when it comes to baby hairs. I do not do well with baby hairs at all. They never come out right. So that's actually another thing that she does on her website. You can buy the bundles and do it yourself, or you could pay an additional $80 and she will customize it for you. You know, if you have a larger head, you can let her know so they can use a larger cap. It does come with an adjustable strap and some combs. I didn't put any of these on just because I'm not that type of chick. I usually just kind of roll with the punches because I don't leave my wigs on very long. I usually keep my wig on for maybe a day or two. Usually I take it off at night. The hair quality, look at that. Look at the quality of the hair. Can you see that luster? It's beautiful from root to tip, and it's thick from root to tip too. Like, look at that. It did come with lashes too. The transparent lace is very pretty though. It's very, very pretty. You do got to be careful with the transparent lace. It's not as thick as the other lace that they used to have on the market, or they still got on the market. It's just cheaper. You do got to be careful because it does fray, but it's very realistic. So now that I've gone in with a little bit of powder, you can actually see how that looks like my skin a little bit more now already with just some powder. And I went in very heavy-handed in the center of the part, and then I went ahead and just kind of spread it all out. I didn't really go back into the product very much. Other wigs, I'm gonna just quick spray this down in the front just so I can have a better stick. This is all water soluble, so make sure when you take off your unit at night that you make sure to use water to get it up. The lace, or the cap around these type of scissors. So now the cap is on. Never ever do my own units. I always go and get them installed. This already pretty much comes pre-made for you. All you gotta do is slap it on. And honestly, the got2b glue technique works. It was a lot of trial and error. There's stuff that I had to cut out of this video because it was a lot of trial and error. The hair, can you see the movement? Do you see that though? You got your girl acting up. Red band hair, baby. Oh my god. I keep showing you this side because this is the side I've slayed the best. I'm so proud. Y'all go easy on me in the comments. I'm not the type to do this. Like, I need my wigs pre-done and installed, and then I can slay them. Okay? And even then, I'm like, it's a little, you know. So go easy on the comments. I think I did a pretty damn good job. I think I did, especially since I don't have cornrows underneath here. I have mini twists. I think I did a really good job. This wig lays so flat. I barely put any heat to it. It just came. And mind you, when I had it in the box, once I looked at the hair, touched the hair, I was like, yeah, this is some good stuff. And then I just threw it back in the box and it had like a little bit of a kink in it, but it already came straight in. It already came ready to go. All you had to do is cut the lace off and install it. And if you are basically a hairstylist or you already know what you're doing, you are going to be ahead of the game. So I'm very, very impressed with this hair quality. The install, I would say, because I did it, out of a 10, my install job was about a 7.5. You know, I know if my girl would have installed it, this would have been 10 times better. But I'm super proud. Discount code LilyGlam15 for $15 off your order. And if you know how to make your own wigs, you can save a little bit, but she custom does the units for you. And she's offering the 613. She's gonna have that up on her site by the middle of June. So definitely look out for that, because you know everybody's doing that Doja Cat inspired look, and 613 hair is the best hair to use because it's a blank canvas. So you could easily take that hair and dye it pink, green, purple, whatever color you want, okay? Or ash blonde. I do actually have a video on me dyeing a unit ash blonde. This hair, it just flows so well. Oh, I love the density. It's very realistic. The specs on this hair is 18, 20, 22. The longest length is a 22. You see that? Everything looks long on me because I'm only 5'3" and I'm rounding up, baby. I'm really like less than that. But yeah, I love this look. I haven't worn straight hair in so long. So if you like the straight, comment down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you again for 7,000 subscribers. And remember, the discount code will only be valid. I forgot to tell you this. The discount code will only be valid from June 1st to June 15th. So definitely get on that for get $15 off, because then this whole thing, if you do the hair yourself, it will be like a little less than $300, baby. Yes, for this quality hair, and the hair don't have no smell, it's ready to go. You got a little bit more coin, a little more bread to spend. She does do the custom units for an additional $80. So even with that discount code, baby, we still under $400. and she has different hair textures and everything like that. I'll put like her website here so you can see what it looks like, and you can actually contact her via DM, Instagram, and an email. If you guys want me to do more hair videos like this, definitely comment down below. I don't know, this is new for me. I've been watching lots of videos and I was like, you know what, let's go ahead and do it. I'm proud though. Look at this. Look like a Barbie, chocolate Barbie, you know. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Remember, everything will be down below for you guys, and click the link to her website. Check out our Instagram. Yeah, we gotta support our black owned businesses, okay? We gotta support them, because listen, there's money to be made. There's money to be made here on this online, and we need to support one another, okay? I love you guys so much, and stay tuned for more videos. My next few videos, I'm posting. I'm getting very frequent. Today is actually a batch filming day. I'll be filming more than one video today. So if you see this look again, don't be alarmed. I love you guys. Bye.